Welcome to the Perfect Perception channel. We're here today to discuss a topic that's universal, making a comeback in life. You see, life has a funny way of throwing curveballs at us, sometimes all at once. One moment you're riding high and the next you find yourself in a slump. It's a cycle as old as time, but it's how we respond to these setbacks that truly shapes our journey. It's about resilience, bouncing back stronger and more determined. It's about harnessing the power of failure as a stepping stone towards success. And that's exactly what we'll be exploring today, 10 ways to make a comeback in life. From embracing failure to celebrating small victories, we'll cover strategies that are simple yet profound in their impact. So without further ado, let's dive into the 10 ways you can make a comeback in life. The first step to making a comeback is embracing failure. Now that might sound counterintuitive, but let's break it down. There's a common misconception that failure is something to be ashamed of, something to avoid at all costs. But in reality, failure is a powerful tool for growth. It's like a mirror, reflecting back the areas where we need to improve and grow. Let's take a look at some of the most successful people in the world. Did you know that Thomas Edison, the man behind the light bulb, made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts before he finally succeeded? Or that J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, was rejected by 12 publishers before one finally took a chance on her? Their stories are a testament to the fact that failure is not a dead end but a stepping stone towards success. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. The second step is setting clear, achievable goals. Now, why is this crucial? Well, imagine setting off on a journey with no destination in mind. You'll likely end up wandering aimlessly. The same applies to making a comeback in life. Without clear goals, your efforts may lack direction and purpose. So, how do you set clear goals? You use the SMART formula. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal should be well-defined. Measurable implies you should be able to track your progress. Achievable ensures that your goal is within your reach. Relevant checks that your goal aligns with your broader life objectives. Lastly, time-bound means setting a deadline to maintain a sense of urgency. By setting SMART goals, you create a roadmap to follow, transforming your larger purpose into manageable steps. Goals give you a clear direction and motivate you to keep pushing forward. The third step to making a comeback is prioritizing self-care. Now, this isn't just about bubble baths and spa days, although those can certainly be part of it. We're talking about the holistic care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Physical health is the foundation. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are non-negotiable. They fuel your body and brain, giving you the energy and clarity to tackle challenges head-on. Emotional health is about acknowledging and understanding your feelings. It involves cultivating positive relationships, setting healthy boundaries, and giving yourself permission to feel and express emotions. Mental health, often overlooked, is equally crucial. Mindfulness meditation or simply taking time to unwind and disconnect can help maintain mental balance and resilience. Remember, self-care is not about being selfish or indulgent. It's about recognizing that to give your best to the world, you first need to be at your best. Taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. The fourth step is seeking help when necessary. Now, let's break down the walls of pride and ego. It's crucial to understand that we are not alone in our journey. We all face challenges, and sometimes they can feel insurmountable. But here's the thing, it's okay to ask for assistance. Professionals, mentors, or support groups can provide invaluable guidance during difficult times. They offer a fresh perspective, a listening ear, and practical strategies to navigate life's twists and turns. Imagine you're trying to climb a mountain. Sure, you could attempt it solo, but wouldn't it be safer and more efficient with a seasoned guide? Similarly, in life, seeking help can accelerate your progress and prevent unnecessary pitfalls. You wouldn't shy away from asking for directions when you're lost, would you? So don't hesitate to reach out. Embrace the strength in acknowledging that you don't have all the answers. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. The fifth step to making a comeback is maintaining a positive attitude. Now, this is easier said than done, especially when life feels like a series of stumbling blocks. But remember, it's not the situation that defines us, but how we react to it. Our attitude shapes our perspective, and a positive perspective can be a game changer. Imagine a glass filled halfway with water. Some see it as half empty, others as half full. The The ones who see it as half full are more likely to fill it up the rest of the way. This is the power of positivity. It encourages us to see the potential, the possibilities, and the opportunities in every situation, no matter how bleak it may appear. Negativity, on the other hand, can cloud our judgment and hinder our progress, so keep your chin up and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. A positive attitude can turn problems into opportunities. The sixth step is to keep learning and growing. The world is a vast library filled with endless knowledge and wisdom just waiting to be discovered. It is through learning that we expand our horizons, challenge our assumptions, and create new possibilities for ourselves. Whether it's picking up a new skill, reading a book, or attending a seminar, every bit of learning contributes to your personal development and helps you navigate the path to your comeback. Remember, learning isn't just about consuming information. It's about understanding, applying, and reflecting on what you've learned. And it's not limited to formal education or professional skills. It can be about understanding yourself better, learning from your past experiences, or even discovering new perspectives. So, keep your mind open and your curiosity alive. Dive into the depths of knowledge and let it guide you towards your better self. After all, learning is not a destination, it's a journey. The seventh step to making a comeback is practicing patience. Often we want immediate results, but it's important to remember that real, lasting change takes time. Picture yourself planting a seed. You can't expect a full-grown tree overnight. You water it, give it sunlight, and wait. Now translate this to your life. Your goals are the seeds, your actions, the water and sunlight, and patience is that crucial waiting period, allowing your seeds to take root and flourish. Patience is also about resilience in the face of adversity. It's about accepting that there will be bumps along the road, and understanding these obstacles are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your path to success. It's about maintaining a positive outlook even when progress seems slow. Patience is the silent confidant whispering, "It's okay, take your time, you're getting there." Remember, patience is not about waiting, it's about maintaining a good attitude while waiting. The eighth step is staying determined. Picture the world's most successful people. What's the common thread weaving their stories together? It's not luck. It's not opportunity. It's determination. The unyielding resolve to keep moving forward, even when the world seems against you. Determination is your inner compass, guiding you through the storms of life. It's the grit that grinds obstacles into dust. It's the fuel that keeps your dreams alive, even when everything else seems to be falling apart. It's the spirit that says, "I won't give up no matter what." In the face of adversity, determination is the beacon that lights the path ahead. It's the force that propels you forward, transforming roadblocks into stepping stones. It's the buoy that keeps you afloat when you're surrounded by the turbulent seas of doubt and fear. Embrace determination. Let it be your ally in your quest for success and your weapon against failure. Remember, determination is the difference between impossible and possible. The ninth step is creating a strong support system. Surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting individuals who believe in your potential is a key ingredient in the recipe of resilience. These individuals, your support system, can be friends, family, mentors, or even professionals like therapists or life coaches. They serve as your personal cheerleaders, offering encouragement when you stumble and applause when you succeed. A strong support system not only provides emotional support, but can also offer practical advice and guidance. They can help you see things from a different perspective, challenge your limiting beliefs, and provide constructive feedback to help you grow. Having a network of supportive people around you can make the journey of making a comeback less daunting and more rewarding. So don't hesitate to reach out to those around you. Ask for help when you need it. Share your triumphs and trials. Remember, it's okay to lean on others when you're not strong. The 10th and final step is celebrating small victories. Now, you might be wondering why this is important. Well, the journey to a comeback is often long and arduous. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Along this journey, there are going to be peaks and valleys. There will be times when you feel like you're not making any progress at all. But here's the thing, every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. When you complete a task, meet a short-term goal, or even just get through a tough day, that's a victory, and it's worth celebrating. Rewarding yourself for these small wins boosts your morale and keeps you motivated. It reminds you of your progress and gives you the strength to continue. It's like fuel for your comeback journey. So don't forget to acknowledge and celebrate these small victories. They're not just milestones, they're proof of your resilience and determination. Every small victory is a step closer to your comeback. So those were the 10 ways to make a comeback in life. In this journey, we explored the importance of embracing failure. It's not a dead end, but rather a detour in the road to success. We learned that setting clear, achievable goals can not only give us a sense of direction, but can also propel us towards our dreams. We emphasized the importance of self-care. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritizing your physical and mental health is crucial to bounce back stronger. Sometimes we all need a helping hand. Seeking help isn't a sign of weakness, but strength. It's okay to lean on others when the going gets tough. We learned the power of positivity. A positive mindset can be your greatest ally when you're striving to make a comeback. It can help you see the silver lining in every cloud and keep you motivated. We discovered that life is a classroom, and there's always more to learn. Embrace every opportunity to grow and evolve. Patience is another virtue we underscored. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful life. It's a marathon, not a sprint. We highlighted the power of determination. When you're determined, no obstacle can stand in your way. Having a support system can be a game changer. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and uplift you. Finally, we stress the importance of celebrating small victories. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. It's these small victories that add up to big wins. In essence, making a comeback is all about resilience. It's about getting knocked down 7 times and standing up 8. It's about facing challenges head-on and emerging victorious. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Perfect Perception channel for more self-improvement videos.